Hello friends, today is our 6th class in C programming language. Today we discuss about operator in C. Operator is the most important concept and element of the C programming language. Operator are the symbol which are used to work on the operands. Operator are the symbol which work on the operands. In C we use different type of operator. These are like arithmetic operator, increment and decrement operator, modulo division operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, conditional operator, assignment operator and special operator. First operator is arithmetical operator by arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is used to perform the arithmetical operation on the operand. First we understand what is operand. Operand, operator work on operand. For example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Here plus is a arithmetic operator, 5 and 3 are the operand. Here the plus work on 5 and 3. So the value is 8. Arithmetic operator, in arithmetic operator we use plus, minus, into and divided. In computer we use star as multiplication and a forward slash as the division. It perform on the arithmetic, it used to perform on the arithmetical task and to execute the arithmetical task in your program. Operator is most important because we use the operator to create the logic of the program. ऑपरेटर यूज करके हम प्रोग्राम का लॉजिक बनाते हैं, इसलिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको एक एक ऑपरेटर को अच्छे तरह से समझना चाहिए. मैं समझता हूं कि आपको अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर के बारे में नॉलेज आ गया होगा. देन वी डिस्कस अबाउट टू इंक्रीमेंट एंड डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर. Plus plus and minus minus known as increment and decrement operator. In C, increment operator is used to increase one value and decrement operator is used to decrease one value. Increment and decrement operator work on single operand. In C, the operator work on operand, it classified into three categories. One is unary operator, another is binary operator, and third is ternary operator. Unary operator work on single operand, binary operator work on two operands, and ternary operator work on three operands. Increment and decrement operator is a unary operator. Suppose in arithmetical operator plus, minus, into, divided, if we write a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, c is equal to a plus b, here plus is the arithmetic operator which work on two operand. So arithmetic operator work under the binary operator. Similarly, increment and decrement operator work under the unary operator which work on one operand. Another important thing on the increment and decrement operator is the increment and decrement operator always work on variable, not on constant, and it work on single operand. For example, if we write a plus plus or plus plus a, and you cannot write plus plus 5 or 5 plus plus. Increment operator and decrement operator work before of the variable and after of the variable. If it work before of the variable, it is known as prefix, and if it work on the after of the variable, it is known as postfix. There are little difference between prefix and postfix. In prefix and postfix, when we assign the value into another variable, the value of increment and decrement operator will change. For example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to plus A. Here in prefix, it first increase the value of A and then store into B. So the value of A is 6 and B also 6. In same manner, in postfix, A plus, here it first store the value of A into B and then increase the value of A. So the value of B is 5 and A is 6. It is the little difference between prefix and postfix. Similarly, we use minus as the decrement operator to decrease the value, and also use as prefix and postfix. This is all about the increment and decrement operator. Then we discuss about modulo division operator. Percentage is known as modulo division operator. It used to return the remainders from the division. It is a binary operator which work on two operands. For example, A is equal to 25, B is equal to 2. C is equal to A modulus B. Here the value of C is 1 because it returned the remainders 1 from the division. Then we discuss about the relational operator. A relational operator is the most important operator in C. By using relational operator, we built the expression and it returned the value either true or false. In C, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to are the relational operator. It returns the value either true or false. For example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. If we write A greater than B, it arises a question. It may be true or false. The value of A is 5, 5 greater than 6, it will false. Similarly, we use less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to and not equal to. There are little difference and the interview question in different software sector. What is the difference between is equal to and double equal to? Here is double equal to is a relational operator and is equal to is a assignment operator. It used to assign the value within the variable, but double equal to is used to compare the value of variable to its value. For example, if we write A is equal to 5, here the value of A is 5. If we write A double equal to 6, here the value of A compare with 6, it may be true or false. For example, here the value of 5 is assigned, the value of A is 5, 5 double equal to 6, it is false. Okay. Then we discuss another operator in next part, because I want to the different course in different small video, because you understand it is very carefully. If any problem, then you message to me or comments to me. This is the all about our class. Next class we discuss about all rest operators in our class. Okay, thank you.